Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a Black Forest Gáteau. In my bowl I'm going to beat together my golden caster sugar and butter. I am now going to add in the rest of my ingredients. Self-Rasing flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 6 eggs. And finally 3 tablespoons of milk. I have preheated my fan oven to 170 degrees and I have lined 3 cake tins with greaseproof paper. I'm going to add my mixture that I have split up into 3 into my cake tins and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. While my cakes are cooling, I'm going to grate my chocolate. In my saucepan, I'm going to add 200 millilitres of water and 175 grams of golden caster sugar and bring it to the boil. Once it has come to the boil, I'm going to leave it to boil for 5 minutes and then take it off the heat and leave to cool down. While my syrup is cooling, I'm going to start whisking my cream. So going to add some golden caster sugar to help it form peaks. I'm now going to fold in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of cherry brandy liqueur. My syrup has now cooled, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cherry brandy. I'm now going to assemble the first layer of my chocolate Gáteau. I'm going to add some syrup to the base. And then some raspberry jam on top. Add my second layer. On top. This time I'm going to add again another layer of syrup. a layer of our whipped cream. Add your cherries. Add another layer of cream on top. And then add your third layer. Add some more syrup on top. Finally, add a few cherries on top. And some sprinkles down the side.
Thanks for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.